Thank you. Thank God that our prophets, Jeremiah Omotofe, I want to, please, you thank our prophet, Jeremiah Omotofe. Let me thank him. Yes, that's why we love you. Our own prophets. The man that hears from God. We beg you to release, to withdraw this suit, and you did it. Yes, you did it. And I know it's not easy what you did. It's not that you are not being offended, but yet you listen to advices of people on the internet. You listen to us, you listen to Brother Mike. Brother Mike was almost frustrated. Oh my God, because the woto was too much. Even me, I was like, oh my God, let peace reign, and I'm so happy. Papa, you are big, and Papa, don't worry, the Lord is with you. This is one of those things. It happens in every way, happens in every ministry. Yes, it happens everywhere. I just want to say thank you for withdrawing this.